Hello everyone. So today we will discuss how we can deploy a simple Node.js app to AWS EC2 instance, that is a virtual machine. So let's get into this. So suppose we have our code of a Node.js app in my machine. So we'll push this to GitHub. Then we'll create an EC2 instance, that is a virtual machine on AWS. So then in that EC2 instance machine we'll git pull that the code from the github.com, and we will start our server in that instance, means in that machine. So suppose we took a Ubuntu machine, so there we will pull the code from the github, and we'll start a node if we use nodemon, then we'll use nodemon index.js or node index.js. So it will start up our server. Then what will we do? Suppose it is running on port 8080. So and the EC2 instance of the means AWS EC2 instance virtual machine have a public IP address to which we can directly connect from anywhere from the internet. So we'll connect our DNS. That is, I have for my case we have devstoria.me as a DNS. We'll connect it with the IP address of 192. That is this IP address. So after connecting this IP address with this DNS server, when the user searches devstoria.me, then he or she will get back the served files which are served here. So this is how EC2 instance or virtual machine works. So in our next slide, we have how Nginx server means Nginx acts as reverse proxy. So yes, suppose in my one virtual machine, I want to start several Node.js processes, and we for several Node.js process we may have several URL linked to that. Suppose I want to host many backends in one virtual server. So what can I do? Then we can use Nginx for reverse proxy. Suppose we have one URL as backend one devstoria.me. When user searches this, we can configure the Nginx such that when a user searches this URL, it will directly go to Node.js process port 8080. And when the user will search backend to .devstory.me, then I will configure the Nginx server such that this URL links to a Node.js process on port 8081. So this is how Nginx acts as reverse proxy in a virtual machine. So I hope all these concepts are clear to you. So yes, thank you everyone.